Here is a quick video on how to make the pine cones.
I want to show you how I colored them. So I'm using one of the larger ones, make it a little easier to see. My first thing is I just kind of took my finger and popped up all the little, for lack of a better term, petals, I'm going to say. Then I took my brown ink and I just took my finger across it so that I would emphasize hitting the ends of those petals. And then as a final touch, I took my white gel pen, which you can get on the Karen Burniston website, and just drew little lines under the ends of tips of all of the petals, including the ones on the side, to get that effect. And then I take my pokey tool and I poke up all of those petals so that they're probably further up than we really need, but for the process of gluing, I want to make sure they're all up. And I found that the pokey tool worked better than my fingers to open these all up. And then I'm just putting glue along the edge pieces and where there's a big enough space in the interior. I'm using my fine tip bottle glue, again something else that Karen Burniston sells on her website, along with the Limeco pH neutral glue. Of course, when this card gets mailed and put in, those petals will go down, but it does give a more realistic pine cone look.